welcome to a calculus tutor. This is a particular question that students have been demanding me to solve. Now let's go with the question. They say, given that f of x is equals to x squared and g of x is equals to root x, find f prime and g prime. Students, anytime you see this question, it is purely calculus question. They say, given that f of x is equals to x squared and g of x is equals to root sod x, find f prime and g prime. Recall in your secondary school level or your O level or even year 1, first semester and second semester, that f of x is the same thing as f of x plus h minus f of x all over h as lim h approaches 0. Now, in your O level, you will be solving a given question using first principle or any other method. But here we are going to use a limitation as the method of first principle. Now let's go with it. Now let's recall. Recall that f of prime is the same thing as dy dx. So if f prime is dy dx, that means they are asking us to find the dy dx of f of x is equals to x squared and g of x is equals to sod x. Now let's go. Let's go. Dy dx is equals to f of x, which is equals to f x plus h minus f of x over h lim h approaching 0. That means we are going to go with this formula now. Let's go. F prime of x is equals to lim f of x plus h minus f of x all over h as h approaches 0. Now let's go. They said x squared, g of x, f of x squared. Now let's go. We're going to have f prime of x is equals to f of x now will be x lim x plus h all squared minus x all squared all over what? H, which is the same thing as saying x plus h open bracket x plus h close minus x close all over h. Now let's expand. How do we expand? First identity to second identity in all the pari-passu. X times x we have x squared, x times h we have plus hx, h times x we have plus hx, h times h we have h squared minus x squared all over what? H. What do we do? Plus x squared we carry minus x squared, we're left with x, hx plus hx, we have 2hx plus h squared all over what? H. One of the h here, we carry one of the h here, we're left with 2x plus h. Remember, in calculus, the denominator will divide 2 of the numerator. That is why I use one of it, divide one of this, and I still use one of h, and divide one of h, and I left with 2x plus h. Now, they said remember the formula, at h approaches 0. At h approaches 0. That means anywhere I see h operates as what? 0. And so I'm going to have 2x plus 0. H approaching 0, which is equal to what? 2x plus 0 will give us what? 2x, and this becomes your what? Answer. This is the first principle. Class, if you want to use the general method or power method, that is power rule in differentiating, we know that in differentiating we have x squared, which we normally say nx n minus 1, where this n stands for a real number. Here now the number is 2. That means I'm going to say 2 times x, 2 minus 1. 2 times x will give you 2x. 2 minus 1, you have 1. X raised to the power 1 is x. This becomes the answer, which is the same thing as this. So in your CBT exam, this is what you do. But in your handwritten exam, this is what you do. Thank you and God bless you. If you like this, just say calculus, add me to 081 04 94 4714. The calculus tutor. Bye bye.